I would say the highlight of my career would be transitioning from a management role to somewhat a data or an analytics role. It was challenging for me to come from a management background and work with technologies like SQL, Tableau, and Looker. But thanks to UC Davis MSBA, I was given the right guidance, the right approach for analytical thinking, and now I'm working as a data product manager. Showing others the approach and what to do, and the best example that I see myself as a leader would be when I was working with DSAC while at MSBA. I was leading the student body and working on different curriculum activities and student activities to plan, and also some of the events that were happening during the program. So that's how I define the leadership. I would say the communication should not be short. I know that's a bit of a cliche, but I have seen that there is often, it doesn't matter if you're in a startup or in a big company, there's often a gap in communication. Either it stays between the vertical or within the team. So I guess freely communicate, don't hesitate to ask questions, or don't hesitate to ask for help. I work in the gaming or advertising industry. I would say the current biggest challenge related to data that we are facing is that we use a lot of user information, and with all of these acts, CCPA, GDPR on the road, it's really hard to use that data in any way. I would say that's the biggest challenge, and not just a small startup, also big companies like Meta and Amazon are facing the same challenge. Oh, that one's easy. I would say Professor Meho, his SQL class was the highlight of the whole MSBA program. I still use his notes and slides from his lectures, so Professor Meho Rangwala. Work more on case studies and how you would face the problem in the real world. It's a good thing to have technical expertise, but you also need to understand how to apply the technical expertise. Like if you know SQL, that's not enough. You need to know how to apply those window functions in the real world business case and not just solve a problem in your computer or in your class. So that analytical approach and applying the technical capabilities in the business world is, I would say, the answer.